Hello everyone, I'm Mir and welcome to my diary. In this video, I'll share my experience of working as system engineer at Infosys. So, let's begin. So I got selected at Infosys through our college placement drive as a system engineer trainee. And the joining date was 18th October 2021, around 2 years back. It was post-COVID time, so we didn't have that Mysore training thing, which our batch missed it. I have heard by my seniors and I've seen some YouTube videos that it was an amazing experience in Mysore. But yeah, our batch missed it. So the first week was all the induction program. They had explained about the policies, terms and conditions, and how to set up the laptop for the training. And from second week, we had our generic and stream training. My stream was OSS, open source software. It took around 3-4 months to complete that training, and by February March we had our unit and DC allocated. I had got engineering services CMD unit and Bangalore DC. So after that we had this unit orientation thing where they had explained the projects and types of technologies we'll be working on, which was completely different from the training I had. Yeah. So after that, I was moved to bench period for around 2-3 weeks. I got my laptop delivered by the time, and around 4th week, my first manager, he pinged me in Teams and later scheduled a call with 2 other freshers with whom I did my training. He explained us about the project and how we need to prepare for that, and shared us the course links and told us that we'll be having some kind of test, and based on testers' performance, he will select us for the project. So we started preparing for that. And over the course of 3 months, we had like 6-7 group discussions, which were kind of viva what we have in our engineering. So based on that performance, he selected the other two and rejected me because of my performance. I didn't perform well in that, and I was told that I'll be moved to a different project. I think it was a good thing that happened to me that I didn't got selected in that project. So here's what I mean when I said he rejected me. The other 2 freshers who joined with me, their performance was good in that discussion and mine wasn't. So he told me to spend more time on the course and learn some stuffs, and he selected the other 2 to the project and moved me to the bench and told me that I'll be selected for some other project. So why I said it was a good thing that happened to me, because within a week my new manager, he contacted me with some new opportunity. We had a discussion kind of interview, and he asked me why I wasn't selected in my previous project. So I had to explain him that I didn't spend much time or took that seriously, and I have been preparing for a week, like doing some better work on the courses. And he scheduled another call with some other senior to discuss. It was kind of an interview. He asked me some questions about the topic on which the new project was based on. So, and I had prepared well and I cleared that and got selected to the new project. The new project I was selected was for RDK broadband. So RDK is like an operating system to broadbands, routers, Wi-Fi amplifiers and all that network related devices. It was developed for Comcast, which is a client of Infosys. So I didn't join this project from scratch. A group of 6 people were already working on that, and I was assigned to an associate consultant to assist, help in her work, like analyzing report, running some test cases on Raspberry Pi and all that. So overall, my work was not at all hectic. It was work from home with very flexible hours, so it was going well. But the consultant, she was very rude. She didn't give me much of the work, but when she did, she expected like immediate response, and she was like very pointy about my mistakes. One time I had sent a wrong test case report and she didn't see that and started working on that. And when she realized it, she reported me to manager and kept few other people in CC and said that because of my mistake, a lot of working hours were wasted and all that. So after that, I didn't send, before sending any report, I used to double check what it is and confirm it. Yeah. So in this project, I didn't do any development work or got introduced to client in any way. So it was back-end support kind of thing for me. But I was in touch with my manager, like asking him if there is any other opportunity so that I could shift for development work. So after working for around 3 months on this project, I finally got my new opportunity. My manager Suman, a great guy, he asked me about this and moved me to the new project. It was a development of a video analytics software for Comcast. It had to be developed from scratch. So here I got introduced to my new team, who were all very much experienced and knowledgeable than I was, with whom I worked for around 8 months. So Vivek, Priyanka, and Anurag, if you're watching this, just know that it was great learning from you all and working with you. So in this project, I learned a lot of new stuff with respect to code structure, Python, UI, CNN model, and all that. So overall, it was a great experience. Now coming to why I left Infosys. I think there are mainly two reasons why anyone leaves a service-based company. The first one would be that they have a toxic culture and they couldn't find a proper work-life balance. The other one would be that they are getting underpaid. My reasons were different. Like I mentioned, I had a very good team with flexible hours, so I had a proper work-life balance. And I think I got paid decently well. It was not that high, but for the work I was doing, I think it was decent. So I always wanted to do masters and wanted to do it from abroad and live there for a few years and explore. I had not decided which country or which course I'll be doing, but I had decided in which intake, which year I'll be doing that. So before joining Infosys, I had said it to myself that I'll work here for 3 years and after that, maybe I'll get my MBA or some other course. But I left Infosys within 2 years. In this time, I decided which course I'll be doing and from which country I'll be doing that, and after the course, the type of job I'll be working as. And it's not software development. I'll be shifting my career to management consultant or investment banking. And in order to build some foundation and gain some experience and knowledge in my new domain, I left Infosys. Currently, I'm learning new things, focusing on my fitness. In 2 weeks, I have my IELTS test, so preparing for that. After that, I will start applying for jobs or internships in my new domain. Let's see how that goes. Maybe I'll make a video on that process too. So yeah, that's all in this video. Overall, it was great experience working at Infosys. As a fresher, it's a great place to start your work at or maybe build a long-term career in that same company. So yeah, thank you for watching.